Cold Water Awareness, a safety message for spring boaters, presented by NOAA's National Weather Service in Burlington, Vermont. After a long North Country winter, thoughts naturally turn towards warm weather recreational activities. These first warm days of spring often attract boaters and other recreational enthusiasts to the many beautiful lakes, rivers, and streams across Vermont and northern New York. Those venturing out on area lakes and rivers need to be aware of the dangers posed by low water temperatures and high water flows. On pleasantly warm and dry days in April and May, it is easy to overlook the fact that the temperature of the water is much slower to respond to the change of season and warms much more slowly than does the air. Rivers are still affected by runoff from melting snow from mountain summits. Lakes continually upwell cold water from below until a temperature of 39 degrees Fahrenheit and then increase in temperature slowly based on the amount of sunshine, near surface air temperature, and the size and depth of the body of water. This chart shows the distribution of Lake Champlain water temperature in 10-day intervals throughout the year. The red boxes encompass the interquartile range, or middle 50% of the data distribution, and the black bar and associated value represent the median water temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. We are going to zoom into the shaded region and look a bit more closely at this graph during April, May, and early June. In this zoomed version of the box and whisker chart, we see that water temperatures are typically in the mid to upper 30s through the end of April and climb through the low to mid 40s during the first 20 days of May. It isn't until the first 10 days of June that Lake Champlain water temperatures are reliably above 50 degrees. While temperatures can vary somewhat on area rivers, it is important to note that high river levels and fast flows owing to the spring snowmelt and any rainfall can make area rivers extremely tricky and hazardous to navigate. Immersion in cold water can become life-threatening very quickly. Should your craft capsize, hypothermia in waters with temperatures in the upper 30s and 40s can occur in just a matter of minutes. Because water conducts body heat away from the body 26 times faster than air of the same temperature, the cold water rapidly causes extremities to become numb, weakening the ability of muscles to work effectively. Tragically, several individuals have lost their lives on North Country rivers and lakes in recent years, drowning in the very low water temperatures of April and early May. The National Weather Service urges the following safety measures to protect yourself and maximize your enjoyment of area waterways. First, consider postponing small craft boating activities until water temperatures become warmer in late spring and summer. If you do choose to boat, canoe, or kayak in April or May, wear a dry suit appropriate for water temperatures in the 30s and 40s. Wear all recommended protective gear to guard against the cold water in the event of an accident or capsize. Always know current and forecast weather and water conditions to ensure safe navigation. And remember, no matter the season, when you are on the water, always wear your life jacket. The National Weather Service in Burlington provides detailed forecasts for Lake Champlain in the form of traditional text forecasts, graphical forecasts, and for any specified point on Lake Champlain. Current conditions are also available for water temperatures, lake level, and winds on the lake. Advisories for sustained winds of 25 knots or higher and thunderstorms in the vicinity of Lake Champlain are also issued as conditions warrant. All of this information is conveniently located on our website at weather.gov/btv/recreation. It is also available via NOAA Weather Radio or by calling our automated forecast recordings at area code 802-862-2475, 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Data for our area rivers are available through the Advanced Hydrologic Predictive Service, or AHAPS. Hydrographs are available showing the current river stage and river flow, along with a future trace out 72 hours for available forecast points. These data can also be accessed from our website from the URL listed. Thank you for watching our cold water awareness video. NOAA's National Weather Service, the U.S. Coast Guard, and the National Safe Boating Council remind you that safe boating is no accident. Let's all enjoy the great outdoors, but also take time to think safety first by planning appropriately for weather and water conditions before heading out on area lakes, rivers, and streams.